Hey guys, Pete Stoma here at MarineMax Brick. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough on our 2026 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. Right away we're going to see the beautiful Sea Ray blue full hull color with white stripe. And hanging off the back here we have twin white Mercury V10 400s. Let's go take a look inside. Alright, here inside the cockpit we're going to start at the transom. We do have storage along the back. We have a beautiful block-off door there. Again, if you have small kids or pets. Shower, transom stereo. Making our way in, you can see the dune color interior. Back here, we do have our filler cushion in place. That is on top of a teak table. Over here on our starboard side, kind of our entertainment area, we do have a grill, sink, refrigerator, and super handy trash receptacle right there. If we look up at the hardtop, all of our controls are back here for our shade, which will be right here coming out, giving everybody coverage from the sun. And then right in the center, we do have awesome little sunroof action there. All right, making our way to the helm. Twin Simrad displays, again, all of the data for the boat, charts, fuel, the whole nine, that's all going to be right there. Fusion stereo remote, all of our halo switching. Obviously our throttles on this side and joystick with the twin 400 Mercs. Spotlight controls, trim tabs, VHF. All right, and again, this is the coupe version of the 320 Sundancer, so we opted for the full windshield here with half windshield on the side. So we can slide our door open like this. Again, if it's a cooler day, like today, kind of block yourself from the wind. So making our way up to the bow here. We do have triple wide seats in the front with individual armrests and rising headrest right there. Our safety lanyard right here, again giving you access up to the windlass. Again, we did just get this boat, so there is still some wrap on it. Controls here for the windlass and back at the helm. And again, there's our spotlight. Let's go take a look down below. All right, down below, this is going to be one of two spots you can kind of sleep in. So right now, we actually have I would say like a twin bed setup right here. You do have a filler cushion that could fill in this space right there, making it one larger sleeping area. All right, I'm going to sneak by there. Our head compartment, sink and toilet. This is a wet head, so you can shower in there. Again, sneaking around one more time. We do have another fridge on board with ice maker and microwave. And then again, last kind of hangout sleeping area spot right now. This is the forward V section. We do have the cushion on board top of the table here. TV, again, great spot to relax. All right, 2026 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer outboard. This boat is here at MarineMax Brick. I'll see you on the water.